Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some really juicy stuff to look at, really big stuff, including some very important meme coins that we could be looking at over the course of the next few days. So make sure that we're liking and subscribing so we don't miss any updates. And let's have a look at the overall market to start off with. So lots of red today after the weekend. We got some big green ones here, Core, Jupiter. I was going to get into Jupiter's one that I've missed out on, unfortunately, but never mind, because there's lots of other opportunities that we did get in on. Lots of meme coins, AI coins down today, like Fetch AI, Bonk, Pepe, all down. So yeah, that's the overall market today. Last week we saw positive inflows from the ETFs, which was great. Expecting to see more of that this week, which will help sustain the market overall. Interest rates. So at the May the 1st meeting, everyone is expecting the interest rates to stay the same still in the US. 96.1% people think that. But then the June interest rate hike, the June interest rate decision, they're expecting a decrease by 0.25%. So we'll keep our eyes on this. Historically, when interest rates have come down, stock markets have also come down. Okay, so we've got to be aware of this. This one, the stock market started coming down first, and that's when they dropped the interest rates in the dot-com bubble. This one, the stock market came down synonymously with the interest rates. Yeah, everyone thinks that when the interest rates go down, people have more liquidity to pump into the markets. Yes, at some point they do, when it's at the bottom here, when it reaches the bottom and then it starts going up in the expectations of an interest rate pause or decline. So when they go down, typically the stock markets go down, as you can see from the last two examples. So we can expect a stock market decline at some point soon when the stock markets go down, historically, unless there's a soft landing. And this can affect the crypto market, of course. Looking at the 18-year cycle, you may have heard of the 18-year cycle. So 2007, the great financial crisis would have been at the end of this point here. That brings us 18 years forward, 2025, 2026, at the next point here. So we've had a mid-cycle dip around COVID, not 2019, and now we've been on this explosive phase on this stock market, probably around here somewhere at this halfway up this explosive phase. We've got the stock market, AI, crypto, all in the explosive phase, ready for a big drop here, which we could see earlier than expected with the interest rates coming down. We'll see. Maybe it takes 6 months to hit the markets. Bitcoin, latest on Bitcoin, let's zoom in. We had this upward sloping wedge, or this ascending triangle, sorry. I was expecting it to break out of this on the upside, actually, but we've broken to the downside. So if we take that from there, we go from here to there, that gives us a target of 67,500. Okay, so it could be come back down below the old all-time high there. Moving on to the meme coins though. Pepe. In the last video I was saying that we had a trend line that we're breaking out of, but it seems like we're going up it and down above it all the time here. We might be back above the line I said last time, but right now I've spotted an upward sloping channel. So if we break down, the target will be here to here. If we break down, it'll bring us to 5064. If we break up at some point, if we were to break up, it would bring us to around about our all-time high of 401. Okay, so looking for a break out of these two lines, you can long or short the market potentially from here with a short stop loss. That's Pepe, Fetch AI, which I did make a video about just recently, saying it was my favorite coin of the bull run so far. Let's have a look on a smaller time frame. Well, I spotted this head and shoulders pattern here a couple of days ago. Shoulder, head, shoulder, with a target breakdown of roughly 2.6, or it could bounce off of this support line from the old ascending broadening wedge that we had. Okay, so it could see a bounce off of here before we go higher again, so about $2.6 for Fetch AI. Moving into the degen meme coin areas. Okay, so Pepe2, first need to be noted is that we've had these major pumps in the recent times, and then we come right back down to the base, big pump back down, big pump back down. Okay, but notice every time we come back down to the base, we form a higher base, higher low, higher low. Okay, so we are, and that's the context overall for Pepe2. Let's have a look on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we had this downward sloping trend here we broke out of, and then we have this potential bull flag scenario here with a target of about 0.601, which brings us above the 0.236 line from the previous all-time high recently, which was 25th of February. So not that long ago we had this all-time high. So what I'm saying is, for Pepe2, we've had these regular pumps, these absolutely phenomenal pumps of more than 10x, 20x. Okay, for Pepe2, and then we come back down. So it's very volatile, but we're due another big pump soon. Next time Bitcoin pumps, we'll see a big pump in Pepe2 again. And the reason that I'm very bullish on this is a $32 million market cap still. Yes, I was buying this when it was $10 million, but Pepe2 is still only $32 million market cap. Let's have a look at year. Over the course of the year, it's up 1,430%, which is bullish, even though it's just at a base right now. Just think what it would be like when it's at one of these peaks. So I think the next peak could be phenomenally higher than this. We're at 32 million, so potential 100x to 3.2 billion, even a 20x to 600 million. Not out of the question. Okay, so 20x easily. I'm thinking more like 50 to 100x for Pepe2. Look at that, guys. Halving, 19 days away. Very bullish. Next meme coin, Coquinho. Not much data on this one. It's quite a new coin. But as you can see, there's an upward trend here to Coquinho. And what's bullish is in the last month, it's up 120%. It's only a $339 million market cap. And it's one of these meme coins that's getting a lot of traction on the internet, on Twitter and everything. So keep your eyes out for Coquinho, up 1,000% since December. Very bullish again. So 339 million. It's coin for today, Myro. You can see another massive uptrend for Myro. I was buying around here, then I was a bit disappointed when we saw this dump. I was going to drop it all, and then we had this massive pump here. So we're in a bullish uptrend for Myro overall. Let's have a look at the fundamentals. It's fully diluted market cap of 1 billion coins, only 300 million here, so potential for a 10x still from Myro. I'll be start getting out about $1, start taking profits about $1. So potential upside from Myro, and it's another dog coin, so lots of hype around this dog coin. Make sure you liked and subscribe for future videos like this, and thank you very much for listening, guys. God bless you.